Warning. Warning. This sound test contains extremely powerful bass frequencies. Please secure your speakers and lower your volume now. Final warning. System overload may occur. Testing begins in 3, 2, 1. Subwoofer test activated. 20 hertz. Feel the vibration. 30 hertz. Shaking deeper. 40 hertz. Pressure rising. Mid-frequency test. 200 hertz. 500 hertz. 1 kilohertz. Stability check. Hold on. High frequency alert. 5K, 8K, 12K. Warning. Sharp frequencies ahead. Full range sweep. 20 hertz, 2. 20 kilohertz. System stress at maximum level. Test complete. If your speakers survive, congratulations.